What does a guitar tech do? A guitar tech is usually a part of a band's road crew. They will take care of the instruments and equipment of one person in the band or the whole band. The job of the guitar tech can vary contingent on the band size and the locations the band performs at. Some of the duties a guitar tech may do are replacing strings and tuning guitars, adjusting the truss rod, and cleaning and polishing the instruments. They would be responsible for the setup of the instrument, including neck angle and string intonation. Most guitar techs would be responsible for the various amplifiers, effect units, and pedals the band members use. They would be required to ensure all are free from crackles and hums, and all cables are installed properly. The guitar tech would need to know how to solder and resolder loose connections inside the guitars and amplifiers, plus be able to retube amplifiers and set bias. Sometimes the show depends on you. Looking to start a band? Check out our brand new video to your left. Now you can get that band started, just like you have always dreamed of. If you enjoyed this video, we ask that you like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.